Surali Tadwalkar's father. I am here to share my point of views with UT. As far as UT is concerned, it's been fantastic experience for all of us, and I'm very glad that Surali could find the opportunity to get additional guidance through UT right from the 10th standard and then now in the 12th standard. Surali has a dream to do her MS and PhD in biotechnology, and I'm sure because of the guidance from UT she must be benefited. As far as UT is concerned, I would really appreciate the kind of rigor, the kind of focus they have in the education system, and then the institution, the way they have developed. It's simply fantastic, and the teaching and the whole guidance which has been given from time to time, it's simply outstanding, and I really appreciate and thank UT for this particular reason. Thank you very much.
Hi, I am Tejendra Salgaonkar. My daughter Bhakti scored 95.4 in 10th CBSE. I would like to give the credit to, most of the credit to the university tutorials, because she is fared better in maths and quite a bit in biology because of the university tutorials, especially Ash sir, then Anubhav Sinha sir, and one madam named Smita. She used to always mention their names, and that has helped her fare better in these three subjects especially, which has helped her improve her score. I wish very best in the future for university tutorials. Thank you.
Before joining the university tutorial, we have noticed that my daughter Mona Lisa lacks self-confidence. The quality of questions and scientific and systematic approach in the test series conducted by UT helped my daughter to achieve the self-belief. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Colonel Srivastav. My child Nishit Srivastav joined UT for taking the test papers. The question papers and the backup answer sheets that were provided were absolutely bang on the target, because it allowed the child to restrict the answers within the specific word frame, as also to respond to the real issues that were being asked. This necessarily helps the child to be able to complete the answers within the given timeline, as also to be able to focus the answer around the main issue that is being asked, rather than beating around the bush. Knowledge is abundance, but you need people who can guide you to be really focused. To that extent, I am really thankful that UT has done a great deal of help to my child.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Ruby Basir, and I'm Vaishnavi's mother. On my own, I decided that through these test series of UT, I can help my child to solve more and more papers so that she can see from her mistakes. One paper she was solving, she was not getting good marks in first few exams, but it helped her that where she is doing wrong, and through the end of the year she could realize that these things are wrong, now I have to correct that. And through these papers she scored such a good mark. She was an average student, which she was getting only 75% in school, and now from 75% she got 93%, which was shocking experience for us. And this is all because of UT test series, I think so.
We are very happy with our daughter's result. She has got good marks. She got very good teaching from her faculty members. We got full support from Anubhav Sinha sir. Thank you very much sir. Thank you UT staff. Thank you everybody.